Yo guys, what's up? We're here with the makeup tutorial. Firstly, we bang clips in our hairs just to take it out of our face, you know what I'm saying? Now we got a bag. What is in the box? What's in it? I don't know. Oh, it's a mug in the box. Dope. Oh, no. It's not a mug. It's a squishy... What? I thought we were supposed to be drinking out of there. Now we... I don't know what's happening now, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna dab that on our face. Nope. We move... Oh... Clumsy K. Oh, we dabbing it on our face just like I thought. Yeah. Put it all around. Get that skin nice to the right skin tone. Watch you don't get it on your lips. You don't be trying that stuff. Can't be good for you. And keep on dabbing. Don't rub. Keep it dabbing. Yes. Oh, why are you rubbing it? What's gutsing? Yeah. Oh, I know what that is. That's the eyebrow set. Yes. Oh, we're making it lit. Gotta draw those eyebrows on fresh. For some reason, eyebrows are important. No guy ever looks at them, but okay. Nails? No. Covering eyes? What? No. Looking? Oh, we're looking at the eyebrows. Okay. Now, we're using those shades. Make sure you pay attention to the strawberries. Those are the shades we're using. We color in the eyelid. Real clear. It looks like nothing's going on the eyelid, but we keep it going. Oh. Now we're using the dark brown shade. Very nice. Check the strawberry. This one's a delicate... Ooh, we can see that one. Very nice. Keep on applying the makeup. Ooh! Don't get in your eye though. That can't be good for you. But... she's a pro. She's got this. Ooh, now you gotta blend it. Make sure it's blended. What I've learned is you can't be seeing it a straight line of the changing color. That's unprofessional. Nah. Keep it. Oh, you're blending this thing fresh. We blending. Ooh, now we got the light. That looks rather silvery. That's going on the other side. You gotta blend that in with the darkness though, because if you don't blend it nicely, you're gonna take a proper line there, and that's just not good. So now we got the glistening eyelids. Keep on blending it over. Very nice. Yes. Don't know how you guys do that, because it must be so small. Anyway, now we got some MAC lipstick. No, that is eyeliner, I think it's called. No, that's not eyeliner. That is, I can't remember. But anyways, we're moving on to new color, whatever that is. That looks like lipstick. Yes, we're going with a light pink. Yeah, it's simple lipstick. Oh no, we're going for a different color now. 2 lipsticks. Who would have thought? Never thought you put 2 lipsticks on. But anyway, if it's a way to go, it's a way to go. All it means is I don't get any kisses, so that's sad. But anyway, now we take the clips out. I think we're done here. Mascara, it's called mascara on the eyelashes. We're all done. We flick the hair over, make it look real good. Pose for the camera, look away, give a little kiss. Beautiful. Love it. Sexy.